Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill, 1800W 8-to-1 Air Fryer Oven with Bake, Convection Bake, Grill, Broil and Warm Options, Large Capacity, 60-minute Timer, TOA-70NAS, Stainless Steel. This is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill, model TOA-70NAS. It's a true 8-in-1 kitchen appliance, consolidating air frying, baking, convection baking, grilling, broiling, toasting, and warming into a single stainless steel unit. The 1800-watt heating element provides rapid preheating and consistent cooking temperatures across all functions. The air fryer feature achieves perfectly crispy results with little to no oil, and the integrated grill is excellent for indoor searing and smoky flavor. Its large capacity easily fits a 6-slice bagel, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for family meals and batch cooking. The intuitive control dials and 60-minute timer offer simple, precise operation. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the non-stick interior and included removable tray. This unit saves significant counter space by replacing multiple appliances while delivering professional, versatile results. For maximum value and versatility in a compact design, the Cuisinart TOA-70NAS is an exceptional choice. Click the link below for best price.